Matatag Curriculum, Math 4, Quarter 2, Lesson 1. The topic is all about multiplying whole numbers and estimating products. For the short review, write the letter corresponding to the product on the line to complete the quotation. 1. 5 times 1. 2. 3 times 6. 3. 8 times 7. 4. 4 times 9. 5. 7 times 7. 6. 3 times 4. And 7. 8 times 2. The clue is, keep putting out good. It will come back to you blank in unexpected ways. From Farah Gray. Let us now check. For number 1, the correct answer is 5, 2, 18, 3, 56, 4, 36, 5, 49, 6, 12, number 7, 16. And the missing word is tenfold. What word were you able to form? Very good. It is tenfold. What is meant by this word? You're right. Tenfold means 10 times as much or 10 times larger. It indicates a multiplication or increase by a factor of 10. For the lesson purpose, here is the problem opener. A civic organization would like to help a school needing chairs for their pupils. Each of the 83 member volunteers will donate 35 chairs. How many chairs will be donated in all? You're right. A total of 2,105 chairs will be donated. How will you get the total number of donated chairs? Exactly. You will multiply the number of volunteers by the number of chairs each volunteer donates. From the responses, which will give you the answer easily? Why? Very good. Using multiplication will give you the answer easily because it quickly combines the amounts. What is the answer to the problem? Very good. The answer is 2,905 chairs. Today, we will learn about strategies in multiplying numbers. For the unlocking content vocabulary, we have these words: multiplication sign, the equal sign, the product, the factor, which is the multiplicand, and another factor, which is the multiplier. For day 1, multiplying 3 to 4 digit by 1-digit numbers without regrouping. Find the product of 102 times 4 using pictorial representation. So we have the hundreds, 4, the tens or the longs, we have 0, and for the ones or units, we have 8. Find the product of 102 times 4 using expanded form. Express 102 in expanded form. 102 times 4 equals, close and open parenthesis, 100 plus 0 plus 2 times 4. By distributive property, we can have 102 times 4 equals 100 times 4 plus 0 times 4 plus 2 times 4 equals 400 plus 0 plus 8 equals 408. So 102 times 4 equals 408. Find the product of 102 times 4 using standard form. 2 times 4 equals 8. 0 times 4 equals 0. 1 times 4 equals 4. So the answer is 408. For the work example, example 1. Find the product of 4,132 times 2 using expanded form. Express 4,132 in expanded form. 4,132 times 2 equals, close and open parenthesis, 4,000 plus 100 plus 30 plus 2 times 2. By distributive property, we can have 4,132 times 2 equals, close and open parenthesis, 4,000 times 2 plus, close and open parenthesis, 100 times 2 plus, close and open parenthesis, 30 times 2 plus, close and open parenthesis, 2 times 2 equals 8,000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 4 equals 8,264. 4,132 times 2 equals 8,264. Example 2. Find the product of 3,210 times 3 using standard form. 0 times 3 equals 0. 1 times 3 equals 3. 2 times 3 equals 6. And 3 times 3 equals 9. So the answer is 9,630. For the lesson activity, find the product of the following numbers using the given method. Number 1, 332 times 2. Sketch base 10 blocks. 543 times 6. Use expanded form. 2011 times 4. Use the standard form. 1443 times 2. Use the standard form. 5042 times 8. Use the standard form. For day 2, multiplying 3 to 4 digit by 1 digit number with regrouping. Answer the worksheet number 1. Find the product of the following numbers using the given method. 1. 332 times 3. 543 times 6. 2011 times 4. 1443 times 2. And 5042 times 8. Use base 10 blocks to represent the product of 136 times 4. So the correct answer is 544. Find the product of 136 by 4 using expanded form. Express 136 in expanded form. It will be 136 times 4 equals, close and open parenthesis, 100 plus 30 plus 6 times 4. By distributive property, we can have 136 times 4 equals, close and open parenthesis, 100 times 4 plus close and open parenthesis 30 times 4 plus close and open parenthesis 6 times 4 equals 400 plus 120 plus 24 equals 400 plus 100 plus 20 plus 24 equals 500 plus 44. So 136 times 4 equals 544. Find the product of 136 times 4 using standard form. 6 times 4 equals 24. Carry 2. 4 times 3 equals 12. Plus 2, that would be 14. Carry 1. 4 times 1 equals 4. Plus 1 equals 5. So the correct answer is 544. Find the product of 136 by 4 using standard form. 7,152 times 6 equals 7,000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 2 times 6. So the correct answer is 42,912. Lesson activity. Sketch a new set of base pieces to multiply 163 by 3, then show regrouping. Find the product of the following numbers using your preferred strategy. Number 1, 372 times 8, 2019 times 9, 7,865 times 6, 796 times 5, 1,354 times 7. For day 3, multiplying 2 to 3 digit by 2 digit number without regrouping. For the work example, multiply 32 by 21 using expanded form. 32 times 21. 30 plus 2 times 20 plus 1. The answer is 672. B. Multiply 301 by 23 using standard form. The answer is 6,923. Find the product using standard form. The correct answer is 4,704. Find the error in this multiplication problem. Explain your answer. Find the product using the standard form. 32 times 32, 53 times 38, 134 times 22, 203 times 31, 220 times 42. Multiplying 2 to 3 digits by 2-digit number with regrouping. Find the product using the standard form. Multiply 57 by 36 using a standard form. Very good. The correct answer is 2052. Multiply 309 by 54 using standard form. The correct answer is 16,686. Find the product of the following numbers. Show your solutions. 87 times 35, 97 times 67, 756 times 47, 897 times 53, 208 times 65. Multiplying by 10, 100, and 1,000 with products up to 1 million. Study the multiplication by 10 and 100 and describe the pattern. 365 times 10 equals 3,650. What is the pattern in multiplying by 10 or 100? To multiply by 10, just annex or attach a 0 to the other factor. To multiply by 100, just annex or attach 2 zeros to the other factor. Study the product of a number multiplied by 1,000. 568 times 1,000 equals 568 times 10 times 100. 5,680 times 100. The answer is 568,000. Number 2, 340 times 1,000 equals 340,000. Can we use the pattern on multiplying by 10 and 100 in multiplying by 1,000? To multiply by 1,000, just annex or attach 3 zeros to the other factor. Find the product using the pattern. Fill in the missing number. Estimating products. What is an estimated value? To estimate the product of two numbers, we may round off each number to its highest placed value. Estimate the product of 206 times 191. Therefore, 206 times 191 is approximately equal to 40,000. Estimate the product 57 times 3,822. Therefore, 57 times 3,822 is approximately equal to 240,000. Estimate the product of 6,793 times 45. Therefore, 6,793 times 45 is approximately equal to 350,000. Fill in the missing number. Estimate the product. Approximate the second factor so that the product will fall within the given values in the parentheses. Solve the problem. The grade 4 pupils and teachers will go on a field trip. They hired 5 e-jeepneys for the field trip. Each of the 5 e-jeepneys can carry 28 people. About how many people are going on the field trip? Day 4. Which multiplication strategy do you find easy to perform? In what situations can you use multiplication or estimation? What values did you learn from the lesson? Perform the task as presented in the illustration. Reflect 3 to 1. 3. Things I learned. 2. Things I found interesting. 1. Question I have. Day 5. Find the product and estimate the product.